Hello. Slightly winded Dr. Steve coming at you from School of Rocks. I'm going to move this camera up a little bit. From the School of Rocks. That's what Benjamin called it. He's our 18-year-old at Prescott College here in Prescott, Arizona. And this is what it's all about. Moving in nature. We just met with one of his professors. It's an ecology professor. Prescott is very much about the environment, about social justice. It's about adventure education, teaching kids today how to reconnect to nature. And that is my biggest point I want to drive home to you, is that connecting with nature is who we are. When we lose that, we lose everything. When we live in this artificial world, the matrix, we become so disconnected. Literally putting my hand on this rock is giving me nature. It's giving me electrons from the earth. It's giving me grounding. The missing piece. More grounding, more. And my previous one at Thumb Butte, we're still in Prescott. We'll be heading to Grand Canyon tomorrow. It's gonna be cold. Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, Sedona. So I'll be doing some more on the road. But all of it will be about, if you saw that, what I did at Thumb Butte yesterday, ground, grow, gratitude. The triple G or the 3G. The triple G solution to the stressed out world. Find grounding, keep growing, have the intention of growing. That means stay open, stay expansive. As soon as you start doing this, you're done. Ground, grow, gratitude. I'm so thankful for you. I'm so thankful for this granite rock that I'm on right now. It's amazing. And we'll be doing more from the road, and I'll be doing more practical stuff. I know I've been being a little esoteric, but I'll be giving you some applicable things to do to help you. How do you manage? How do you make it happen when we're so disconnected? How do you get back to grounding and growing? More to come on that. Hint, the infant is the metric. How closely can we get back to our developing 0 to 4-year-old environment, where all we did was find support and keep pushing away towards things that give us joy. Push away towards things that give you joy. One more time. Push away and follow and reach for things that give you joy. That is that's the magic mojo. All right, I'll check you guys down the road.